African Americans are disproportionately impacted in Michigan by the coronavirus, but are hesitant to be vaccinated.
7 Action News reporter Rudy Harper is at Triumph Church, where the conversations about vaccines are front and center. Rudy?
Dozens here at Triumph Church have fallen victim to COVID-19. Now leaders here at the predominantly black church are educating members on the incoming vaccine as they hold worship service right here in the parking lot. Black people face higher COVID-19 risks, but studies show they are more hesitant to trust the COVID-19 vaccine.
To be very honest, Rudy, in the black community, there's a lot of skepticism.
Ralph GODBEE is a chief of staff to Pastor Solomon Kinlock Jr. at Triumph Church. Kinlock serves on the Racial Disparities Task Force in Michigan. GODBEE says some reasons for distrust date back decades.
And that goes back to the Tuskegee experiment and a number of different things that have disenfranchised black and brown people in the United States.
In Michigan, blacks represent less than 14% of the state's population, yet they make up 40% of the deaths from coronavirus. President-elect Joe Biden was questioned today about how his administration would coordinate a rollout of the vaccine.
Blacks and Latinos are 3 times as likely to die if they get COVID-19. And so the communities of color, it's a mass casualty event. And so we got to figure out how we make sure we get the vaccine to those communities.
Michigan's top doctor says priority for the vaccine will go to first responders fighting COVID-19 on the front lines. After that first wave, Dr. Khaldun says in January they will expand vaccinations to people who live in long-term care facilities and nursing homes. Essential workers and high-risk individuals will be next in line.
Basically, right now, we're day and night getting ready.
Detroit Mayor Mike Duggan aims to vaccinate 5,000 people a day. He says it'll be an enormous challenge.
And it's somewhat of a catch-22. If they're not offered the vaccine first, then there's an insensitivity towards the disproportionate effect on the black community.
And leaders here know public trust in the vaccine will determine our success in overcoming the pandemic. In Detroit, I'm Rudy Harper, 7 Action News.
Rudy, thank you.